so babe ni ndira kwira atiriri I'm tired no igwa ni demo no feel there's no way men of my age right now babe imagine I'm turning 33 next year and up to this moment we are married for 7 years na tutiri turagia mwana
ni ndina makatha tureshire ni ndira igwatia
but is that my problem babe todo we were supposed right now we are supposed at least to kona mwana at least osio
esukuru I know tudite kwa gynecologist atatu itigo tudite kuri mapasta taire ginya tukarutamburi tukarutambi
no it's not working correct itrava if it's not working then I think it's the best thing kauduka the best that is you we break this relationship so, I can't
ureda kujira ukinyo no wodo genyenda au wodi
Wairimo Kagure I've given you enough love yani nigwendete muno Wairimo nigwendete na nijugwendete no ruguri atiri Wairimo nigo tugitura kuta brother na sister surely Wairimo you are my wife and it's your responsibility to give birth
it is my responsibility to give birth
yes
but remember it is also your responsibility to give seed
but I've tried Wairimo I do my best I do my best to remove. Okay. Am I the problem?
Neither of us is the problem.
How do I know? How do I know if you are the problem?
To theater fertility treatment. Give it to theater.
Wairimo, to be sincere, me I can't. To be sincere, I can't.
Why?
Itagi kihota. Itagi karago. Wairimo, I've given you enough time.
I've given. Wairimo, diregete gugushirira. Itigo. Diregete. Nitugerete maita maiga nona itigo sindio waigwa I have miscarried twice you think that is something that I have no asha dikeredia otorete au umeshinda ukini hii wiki yote umeshinda ukinipigia kelele I have miscarried twice umerudi job mimi na mimi da igetiwa na keha ya kumiscarry my
ruwe katire Wairimo ruwe katire wewe ugothie wira waku na wana ugathie wira waku wewe uthio ikare na kuugo if you can even look for someone else because for me as for me ndikaita na mwana at least nitafuta okay Wairimo de wira niguo wewe wira niguo hizi pesa tunathokoma ni ciaki what is it for then
mara gukinya Wairimo
yes what is pesa ni ciaki ndikira tukoma out of the good stay at home
haina hada utaranyita Wairimo
hariko Wairimo
tikurega
kani kurega Wairimo
waigwa ni no ndege gukwira mwana kuma rira tuonanira Waigwa tuko nie ngoretwo ngikwariria uhoro wa kuria mwana from the beginning
yes
gikwira nie remember when we were dating gikwira ni ndienda muthako ndienda mundu tugwikarana ni yake tugie ciana na tukiagrisha ni ira tugukorwo nacio and we even started naming our kids. I have taken care of myself for Waigwa etigu
let me ask you a question Wairimo okay hena nyumba turaka niguo
yes
na thoro muthenyo mundu gakinya gwikana ukwiri na tukuithwe riri tugatigire indo icio citu iretira ikiana ngo ni andu I would rather look for someone else someone who ekojia you know we are looking for the future
okay fine
here's the thing to the guest
hena hada utaranyita Waigwa
hariku
we murakana ni ndi murakari
yes
ruo rwaku ti ruo rwakwa
yes
itigo
yes
umenye ruo ruria wena ruo ri ni gukunja kwirwa weta muthuri ndururagia mwana
exactly imagine
ruo rwakwa nie ndina miaka 30 nie Waigwa ndie ndiragia mwana which means my body with the time ndikota kugia mwana ndureshira ucio ni undu ningi
toko nigo ikinyire menopause bere ya miaka yaku basi that could be the problem no I'm not ashamed of myself that could be the reality what if kwa nyugo kwina thina basi let's assume now what if kwa nyugo kwina thina let's assume that because the first time ukigia ball nego ukashika mimba ukamiscarry nego little yake the same what happens to the third time what if you miscarry that time and I lose you me I don't want you to die at least nitera kukona okugo ogithioka ugo ukenete you know we can still be friends even after this doesn't mean that because at the root tiragia mwana there is no life after this what if me and you we were not meant to be what if
there are so many other options for having kids
like
we can adopt
I want a kid of my own blood bwana
we can adopt not with the surrogate if agekoro ni mwiri wakwa thina itigo
I don't know to get a different gynecologist Wairimo we have tried enough tutumete bia sigana ugothore
kidia you are giving up on me and our marriage
I'm not giving up
no, I'm not giving up
no I'm not giving
up
that is
I'm not
I'm telling you you can try with somebody else you can try No gina mundu ungi
Kagure tina mundu
See,
ungi
me
waigo.
digereti
No,
actually
I'm todokiria ni rere.
I've reserved myself for you so much.
Why are you so open to me trying it with somebody?
Because I can see your stress. Nidona you are stressed. Actually you are stressed. The fact that we were miaka 30 ni tukina mtumia mukuru ruraga mwana.
Am I stressed enough to be unfaithful? No.
No, I'm also not unfaithful. Why are
you so open to this happening?
Because I can see your struggles bwana. Now the struggles zako.
Okurigana na ore oranyona. If I am not a mother, I am not worthy of you.
No,
that is what you are saying.
Actually no. Actually if there's
okurigana nawe, the fact that I have miscarried maita mere, mwiri wakwa kirega tuge nitakurega mwana.
Yes.
Itekwenda waigua.
Yes.
Garira kagia depression getwara ginya thibitari waigua. Gakomitwo. Kurigana nawe. Regardless of what I go through, as long as I am not a mother, I am not worth in your eyes.
Let me tell you. I value in my life apart from my mother is you. If
then
there's one woman that I value,
me?
Because I can see it's not okay. It's not okay. Imagine your friends. Wairimo, imagine your friends. Like Natalia ena siana idatu nego. You are of the same age.
Urenda guthi kwa Natalia basi.
No.
Todo we ni wera hanata gusharira mwana uri urenda.
No. Ndira guthi kwa Natalia. Nigo ndira kwira atiri Wairimo. Why don't? If we've given it tumejaribu for so long. We've given it a try for so long. Tumejaribu for so long. Nitukorire. We are old.
Okay.
We are old. Tutikira Wairimo nitukorire. And we need a child.
And I have told you we can try adoption not to get a giveaway son.
Yes. Deda mundu wakiria
Morega.
Ikoga muno mam. Niki. We are having a small discussion na my wife.
Tukiri ni atiriri. Mura utaki yondo ndirigwa ndi ya baba secretary waku.
Ni akurikiri by the way ni akoire basi cia gumita akwe.
No ndagwa ndikuthie.
Niki riu mami.
Tonginya amenye kira murandike na ndiki.
Riu mami
mukita kurete mbara guku.
Riu ona tukoragia na watukonagia na nini gutu.
Nende igwa tiga gutinda ukinjira ndatuiria murabe ona ndikwenda update. Uti mundu taramenya kira muruga. No ndirenda kuga atiriri. Uguo ndigwa ugari uguo nigwa kwagiriire. Mundu ni athi kwao. Muno ugitura na nyumba.
Riu mami ona niguo niguo ndirona kwagiriire tondu riu wi.
Waigua.
No, it's a fact. Wairimo ni fact.
Mundu akonde guciarira ri fata wake ni.
Ndigire kitu agema. No riu mami tutigike muigata uguo. You know she has been away for 7 years.
Arenda ingatwa.
Ona watiko muigata tu.
Na ndege kwera ona soka kora mutu na dikikamba kore. Mundu ria kuindo cia kia ni ati. Nite niko kwetha kathoni ni okumubikia.
Dukagire kwa kitu disrespectful kwa mami tafadhali. You better attack me but
I'm
not
not
my
even
mom.
going to talk to your mother waigua. Agikoro ni ukinyete handu you and your mother mugaikara thikinya mukeethera muiretu.
Ne mami no tige tu mumuni arona.
I want the
best brains ena akili ni arona nake.
No.
You deserve a child. Which is not happening.
So you deserve a child.
Yes I do. Yes I do. No, let me now be open. Now let me be open and clear.
Ona ndokajariria waigua thikiriria.
Thikiriria ugwera unani. Wairimo, I want a child. Actually, to be precise,
you know what?
Someone else is expected.
Wait, I have given you my blessings. No, menye nyobera turakira na million icio nidrasha. If I am going away with nothing.
Yeah, no, you're not going away with
because
nothing.
Because at this point we're going to ndiraria.
About the mami yayo.
Hey, okora thire mutumia onge.
Yes. You know she's my mom.
Thikereja. Mugondora wake to nyumba no ratindo kiario kaje. No wa pesa nyingi ukira milioni 3.
Yeah.
Yes, milioni 3. Ndarutira 3 akiruta 3.
No.
I have the receipts.
Okay. So what do you want?
I want half of everything. No, I want everything that had.
I'll just give you back my money, mom. Tokomuzageria biasi yake. Wewe kina doge. You shall give you your money.
Nene kotani.
We shall give you money.
Actually, because you have gotten to the point of disrespecting me enough, you cannot even defend me in front of your mother. Which is why you are so okay with me.
Could defend for so long. Could defend for so long. For 7 good years. 7 good years.
You think I've been telling people?
My son.
Yes.
My son.
Yes.
mutumia ona oraria to uri
no mweke no muigwane nake
I have learned from your mother dad yakurigana no ria ndathoma kuma your mother
my mom is a very cool woman.
Oh, very cool woman.
I actually like her.
So
she has mentored me. I'm a mentor.
Timenya nilikuwa niambia when I had to have my miscarriages when she came to me akijeraga no you know what gwicira ni undu wega wate mwana tondu kurigana no ria ndirona ri nduri mutumia mwega
no don't kire makoriko Kavito akudira miaka 4 years and since then I've been brought up by this woman. She's my
fine
changu cha moyo.
Fine
ikatirire Wairimo ikatirire please okay this is my business, this is my office kindly
leave ini yake
pesa simu zake
please go.
Asha before I leave let us agree na haha ndukarie mami please niguhete gitio miaka mugwanja ndikwariirie sija kutukana
mami pia tuko kirenda kuga okay sawa address
I am talking tutaranire milioni 3 cia mugunda
ni sawa
tiguo haya hena hindi your mom ari thibitari tiguo ari na milioni 3 ngiruta 2 that is 5 tiguo wabici ino nini ndagwakiire nini ndagwetheire wabici na
hizo cia ndabokometa wego
kila mutumia ayo
amka get out unakuthi kidogo gucokeria for your information nothing
you get that digari cia kwanyu
you can assume if you can shout at my mom then you are going with nothing here. Actually, get out.
Mwangi, how are you?
Get out.
Yes, I am doing well.
Call him.
Nura dikana hari na investment ya 18 area ya shipment shawera wa Waigwa. Yes, the 18 million for the shipment shawera wa Waigwa. Dada kuhiga account yo. Ushoke wirore wari uhigoro wa Kagure ri 1 milioni 3 ri account icio ninye ndrenda gucihinga arafu agikorwo hena besha wikiti account ni ya Waigwa ndrenda ucicokie. Yes, I know his account will be left with nothing. Yes, I know he filed for bankruptcy last month. I don't care. You just do what you will. Kindly close his accounts, close his mother's accounts na wira wake uhige. Gutira makane ni join ni aroete kiria loan ya milioni 3
nawe ndenda kwira atiriri hapana
ere takiria ta collateral that is okay. Aya ni sawa. Kindly horira mwaniki. Yes, horira mwaniki umwire aigire nyumba yo kindu kiria giothe ndagurite ni waririkana tukiandikanira tukiandika prenup indo ciothe ucio please kindly no thie kwa Kagure please
kwao
indo iria ndagurite
kwao
ucio
tamwirete riri
kindu giothe twari akwari yes kindly yes sawa thank you so much.
Ore bwana Mwangi wait ngoja
nyamushisha
hello bwana Mwangi
ngoja
just try and do that. You know me very well.
Here's the thing,
you know me well.
Forgot why what
you know me well Mwangi. Just try and do that.
This is the part where you learn. The reason as to why I am a lawyer is because I work with contracts. And you forget every single dime of mine you signed up for it.
And this
that
is the part where
agree as long as we are not married to each other, that was not a gift. And it was not a donation, which means you owe me every single freaking cent that I have given you.
And this is the point where
dakwera
die.
Nyobe ori.
Dakwera dio na ndenda kuigwa rugano rwaku.
Baya kure. Mumenye uria mugwika. Oh, by the way, actually no.
Why do thie?
Actually ekatiriri
tiga mathirete ne
ona wakila moshi wega ri ukifika nyumbani vizuri. Actually get out of my office.
Actually I have been paying get out. Toka nje get out. I will slap you for the past
get out Wairimo out nje.
You will pay for this. You will pay for this. Ogo tigara tare na kendo ginya office eno ogo tigara tare na kendo no igwa no tumio se na agociarira bende we gatho ni ucio ena thuria cio atato hena umwe wa gibera hena mungi wa kiria wako no wako
no arekia
ni mo gucarira kana kena mukingo
Hatire thina I love HIV and AIDS. Actually that one is free. That one is free.
Oh really?
That was looking on the free. Actually imagine I'll be given a special diet and that I'll have a doctor on follow-up. Oh
I have built you from nothing.
Momora.
I will take away every single investment that I have.
You're free to do so. You're free to do so. You're free to do so. Tutaona. Yeah. We shall see.
We shall see.
Yes. Nonsense. Ora mamu ori dimuonaga wega. Actually I fear that woman.
In fact ona family yo ni ndarigirwo atiriri wanyita nayo naoku. Ungethire mundu mubonoku.
Kumbe na ngai ajehereria kiundu kirari yuke mbere. No he mbeca.
Ni mbetha ate. Tunyongere ikinye 40. Ndikiria thimu-ini. Ndatiga ebe igikiro mwaki.
Sawa.
Thank you.
Tia ndike kawira kurutaga ahoguo. Yuragira Mr. Mwangi.
Wa kaire tu takamenyere gatigatunyarire.
Igatigatunyarile.
Na gatikathake nani. Mundu ni igakibonoko thia kauga ngukundirwo nawe.
Yeah. Hello Mr. Mwangi. Please don't listen to that woman, eh? She has just gone wild and mad right now. Actually unatiga nyunagira murango wa office na avuja ginya laptops yakwa cia wira. So I don't know how I recover those documents. Yes please. No, she's a lawyer, yes, lakini hiyo sikushtue. Of course money talks. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wagona. Ni sawa. Aleha. Haya.
Ndio nakwambia sijaongea. Nasema kijana wangu alioa msichana hapo. Ni huyu msichana simpendi. Huyu msichana mimi nataka hiyo marriage yao kiko kiao kitharare thara.
Tondu ndumwendete.
Ndimwendete na ndikwenda kuga kwa kusia. Ndikwenda kusiaro kindu ni.
Wagona. No mwanaka wake. Haya. Anaenda kuminyora data.
Ndenda ruga atiriri mwanake ucio aragurire muiritu ucio na ni muiritu ucio na family yao ndimiendete ni kwoguo ri ni muiritu ucio ni tiwero ka mugo wakwa tiwero ka mugo wakwa ona akoro mwanake ni aramwenda ni riu ngwenda atiriri tondu no arabikire na no arabikire ngiregaga ri ndikwenda magaciara kindu kuni
aikare kono ndagaciara kindu
nginya mwanake wakwa akanoga anoga ri amwingate
ndagaciare kindu kindu atia
ndakae gukagia mwana kuu gwako
na aikare kuu
ni ikare kuu nginya manoganie na mbeca ciake ituike cia murio wakwa
mbeca cia muiritu ituike cia murio wako ogo niguo renda
ogo niguo ndirenda
na ndio yake menya hena thogora ndio gutiro tutekaga Eyo. Haya.
Moga thungura. Ndaiga ta moga thungura.
Acha.
Moga ndo.
Kama mwana kesho hakuna shoge. Mwana shoge ndio kwa. Tiga mwana kioyo.
Tena na keri na muiritu.
Mwana kesho.
Ule.
Ni mara uri horo wake.
Ule.
Ushoge.
Ale hona alitaga wira America.
Arenda mugayane.
Ati tugayane. Mutugane na
arenda mugayane.
Sauga yundu.
Uyu uraneo uyu muti uri na mutimia. Urenda maundu make mutimia ndakage wake ndakage mwana ucio ni waku ni magwiko unona we uri Amerika umanengere
asa mere mugi ndungi ucio akindithagio
matirago mugi ndungi ni umugaga ni ukuhota kana ndukuhota
tugwika uguo ndureke mambe manjĩtie kĩndũ ngwamba kũbota nĩgetha ndĩbanga bange nĩgetha ndĩbange sinigũke
Asha ni arega ugatirire ugiteithie ni rwanyarire
wanipei kitu
aiko bado koto una umatiota guteithia
itete kwa hiyo itete tu
nikewe nakyo
ndina riri ndina mburi ithatu na kuri na ya buraki ndina mburi ithatu kwina ya buraki imwe
ya buraki
ini hari ya buraki
ina gacini
ona kamwe ona hatiri eigite
ni moigo sawa ya no toyo hiki
kiki
esha sha mutimia wa mwana kile ogea ni mitoya Mary imukale ya na basha omweli
sawa kindu obatakire towe umeki sure ni aranengera ama ni ndiranengera
ni akunengera
ni uguo ni ndi mwihokeku
no hale kaundu kage
kariku
kaundu kage kariku ni tondu mutimio wake aliyoku aigo ni mutimio wa mwana kenda aliyoku ni mutimio ucio we umenye uhakikishe uhakikishe ati ni aliukaga kwako
tukwenda natagikwa na mutongo aliukaga bau
na wona oka wona oka ko ukamurugera
kamuheke
akire rugite na mwanake wako akalia ku mwahetania rĩu ndeto nĩngũkũhereca
nĩngũrũnga bau rĩu nĩ kwega nĩngũrũnga
wanyita no mwisho wa mweri
kabasa
turamenyane sawa mamenya nĩ mbeca cigana mutumia ũcio uramenya heagwo mbeca cigana heagwo ngiri igana rĩa 50 anakwendera mwĩra koguo 70 waĩ ũgekĩra mbaca o mweri nĩ arĩkũheaga
kayona wewe gũkũ wĩ mũhikani tondũ wĩna mbete
ĩni kana ũrenda atĩa
wangwana nĩ makorwo me mahikani
ĩni nĩ mahikanagia ũreciria
rĩu nĩ ũguo nĩndarĩkia
no ũreciria atĩa
asa gũtirĩ
ĩno rĩ ona ndekĩrĩte tene ndĩona no twĩcirie ũndũ ũngĩ